Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on the WIO bank app using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone. Now, normally log in using a username and password. Once logged in, you will see your home screen. From the home screen, tap on Profile at the top left corner of the screen, then tap on Settings. Now, inside the Settings menu, look for Security or Sign in and Privacy. Tap on it. Now, find the option called Biometric Login, Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your iPhone's model. Turn the switch on to enable biometric login. Your iPhone will now ask you to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your phone's passcode. This step helps keep your account secure. Once that's done, biometric login is enabled. From now on, when you open the WIO Bank app, you can simply look at your phone or use your fingerprint to sign in. No need to enter your password each time. And that's it. You have successfully enabled biometric login on the WIO Bank app using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.